This is Ngobo 23 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Moses Mabhida Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. My brother, kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani bhuti?
Siyaphila man. Igame ibona njani?
Ngizocala ngokuthi bhuti wami ngithi this win, this Nedbank, it belongs to my friend Ubif Seteng.
Oh, beautiful.
I remember we were in Bloemfontein in pre-season against Yanga. He said
4-0.
Yeah, 4-0. He said,
Yeah.
guys, when we come back, he said, guys, let's give Nabi time. We can't keep on changing coaches like, okay, I don't want to say the word, but we can't keep on changing the coaches. So to them, I wish you were safe. When ngesikhathi ngisicula nje lapha.
Yeah. Khumbula yena.
Ngikhumbule yena ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngabe kumanje nje uyahlanya la ekhona. Yabo. Lento bengithi ngizokhuluma uMenbi noMahai bayela. Kodwa akakwenzeka.
Bazoyibona.
Kodwa kwenzekanga. But I'm still saying this win is for you to be for my brother. Rest in peace. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngabe ujabule kumanje. Bese ngiza kwe-gaming. When it comes to the game, the first thing that I want to thank is Mr. Nabi for his bravery. Akekho umuntu obelindele ukuthi uPeter uzoqala igame. And I don't know, yes, the goal, he can take a blame like any other player, but he made it our like. I just said there's one guy Ashilula Wati, Umikwail was playing well today. It's because of what was happening behind him. Umikwail is a good defender, and I hope those overseas teams don't come early so they can give us more cups.
Exactly, yeah.
And also ama changes abantu abanjengo Mdu ungenile wadlala. Siyabonga lokho. uDupri ufikile washintsha igame. Sabona nje ukuthi ukhona kodwa ke bafethu umuntu akalahlwa. Umati smartest bafethu. I'm one of the people who criticize him more than anyone else. But
you're eating humble pie.
Humble pie. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngiyalebwa hulu ntate.
Danke mfethu sesibonga kakhulu. Nazokubonga mina. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.